broadcast with those details. We leave it there. Meanwhile, sources have told NewsX that the BJP government in Delhi is all set to introduce the Mahila Samman Yojana in the national capital on Women's Day, which is the 8th of March. Sources have further said that the scheme will formally be launched by BJP President JP Nadda at the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium in Delhi. More than 5,000 women will reportedly be made part of the program being held at the stadium. Online registration for women has started, post which the government will provide them Rs 2,500 monthly. My colleague Arzu with us on the broadcast. Arzu, take our viewers through the details.
Yes, what we are getting to know from our sources that the BJP will be soon launching the Mahila Samman Yojana. The official launch will happen on the International Women's Day, and according to sources, there will be the launch function that will be held, and BJP President JP Nadda will officially launch the scheme at the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium with over 5,000 women will be participating in that event. Will be the part of that event, and also this was the pre-poll promise that the Bharatiya Janata Party has made, that every woman of the national capital will get 2,500 rupee for their well-being, and for that now there has been several questions that the Aam Aadmi Party was asking, because it is being said that in the first cabinet the promise will be fulfilled, but yes, there was no step taken in the first cabinet. But now what we are getting to know from our sources that on International Women's Day, the Bharatiya Janata Party is going to officially launch the Mahila Samman Yojana at the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium with over 5,000 women being present there, and this has been a big promise that the Bharatiya Janata Party has made. And we also saw that how important and crucial the women have played their role in the elections, and this time also BJP has won in the national capital, and the women have played a very crucial role in that too. Yes.
Okay, Arzu, thank you so much for joining us on the broadcast. Arzu, stay on with me because we have more news coming in. Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta has visited and conducted inspection at the GDP